visit UHD.edu. Click on the My UHD button at the top of the page. Next, click on Students. Enter your UHD username and password, then click Sign In. Once you log in, click the Student Center tile on the top left-hand corner. Now click the Enroll button at the top left-hand corner. Select the semester you wish to enroll. This summer, it would be summer 2020. To search for classes, hit the search button under Find Classes. Next, enter your search criteria. After you hit search, the results will populate. Notice Summer 2020, there are two types of summer classes: virtual online and traditional online. Virtual classes have days and time listed. In this instance, Math 2401 Calculus 1 meets Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday from 10:15 a.m. to 1 p.m. The expectation is that students log on during class during those hours to engage with faculty and classmates. The other option is traditional online. TBA is listed for their days and times. After you determine which course is best for you, click Select. Next, add it to your shopping cart, then click Enroll. You're well on your way to summer 2020.